Hello, it's Adam, the physiotherapist. This is the series Train Against the Pain, episode 2. Exercise with me even if you feel pain in your spine. Today we start in a hands and knees position. That's why I put a soft mat here. If you have a yoga mat, a blanket or even a duvet, use it. It will make the exercise more comfortable. The first exercise is cat stretch. Start with your spine in neutral position. Neutral curves, head in line with the back. Then, when you breathe out, push your upper back up. Make a round shape, like a cat when it is scared, and slowly return to neutral. Move slowly, calmly, with your breath. Take a short break. You deserve it. The next exercise is thoracic spine rotations with support of one hand. Start again on your heads and knees. Lift one hand off the floor. Now twist your upper back down, bring your shoulder toward the floor. Then return only to the middle. Do not rotate too far up. This is the beginner version, but it really helps to mobilize the spine. You can do 5 repetitions on one side and then change arms. Or do it alternating, first right, then left. Alternating is easier, but 5 times in a row is more intense. The last exercise is child pose with extension. Start on hands and knees, knees hip width apart. Move your hips back as far as you can. Your lower back is bent, that's normal. Try to bring your head closer to the floor. Now smoothly go forward into a seal position. Keep your arms straight and bend your spine back. Tighten your stomach and glutes. This protects your lower back. Do this only in a pain-free range. Please let me know in the comments how you like these exercises. Are they easy for you or a little difficult? Share this video with someone who may also need it. Together we can have more fun exercising. And don't forget to write in the comments if you did all the exercises today. Thank you very much. Episode 2 is done. The next one is coming soon. See you next time.